Hi, I'm Nick with First Class Home Inspections. One of the services we offer is termite inspection. So on this house, we're doing a termite inspection and we found a couple things. Let's take a look. So right here, you can see this damage. This is actually termite damage. They've eaten through the baseboard. So there's activity here. So you can also see they're kind of up here on the ceiling. So they're in the walls here. There's some right here in this little area, there's two. And then there's actually coming from the ceiling right here, and this one other area that we're gonna look at that's pretty interesting. To come take a look. So we're coming to this first floor bathroom, so there's obviously been some moisture issues in the wall or something. So we're in the shower area, and they're actually coming out of the top here. These are termite tubes coming down through on the outside of the shower. So we're going to recommend a treatment to kind of help eliminate some of that, and then they'll go into the details of that. And so one of the important things you want to add to your auxiliary service is a termite inspection, because they can cause significant damage in the walls that we can't see. So if you haven't already added termite inspection services to your inspection, make sure that you give us a call and we can add that to your inspection. For all your home inspection needs, call First Class Home Inspection 623-680-0707 or firstclasshomeinspection.com.